What's up, guys? Back at it. I'm feeling the summer vibes today, and I'm gonna take you along with me to the pool. I have some fun beauty stuff to try out from one of my favorites from Merit, and a fun try on haul. So let's get into it. So I promised you guys an opening of my new Merit Beauty products, and clearly I didn't get much sun today, which I guess was good. Didn't burn at the pool, but I'm very excited. There's a limited edition piece and then some other pieces that I've been wanting to try and add to my Merit collection. So, I'm gonna start with their new limited edition compact, and if you know me, I never have one in my purse because I don't want to buy one because they're always ugly. And I'm so excited about this one because I've seen photos of it and it's so cute. So this is their limited edition compact mirror. It says for when you're on your way. I'm always on my way. So let's look at it. It's going directly into my purse, by the way. Ooh. Ooh, that's so cute. It has a little, I can't open it. My nails are longer than normal right now and I can't do anything. I literally just had to have Austin clasp this for me. It literally is so cute. It says, it has a little engraving that says on my way. Classic little Merit logo. Ooh, it just feels so nice. Cuteness. I'm about to fix my makeup while I'm traveling a lot better. Headed to Vegas next week for work, and I never have like a proper compact for the plane ride for when I like do my makeup right before I land, so just some time. She's cute. Okay, the next piece that I never had and I'm really excited to be trying is their Flush Balm. I love just a nice little glow, so I just did like basically no makeup today because I was gonna try this out. I got the color, well, let's just open it. First of all, I love that it's nice and compact, always the cutest. Color is Stockholm. Very cute. Like that has a little like screw on. It really is like my perfect color. I was a little nervous that it would be like too pinky, but I'm gonna use my new compact. And like normally I use my finger, but I'm gonna try, since it's brand new, the little like easy application. I just saw there's a spider on the wall next to me, so very cool. Ooh, hold on. I can just like dab it on. Dab it on. And then I'm gonna rub it in with my finger because I don't want to like smear this too much. But I love like a cream blush because it's so much more natural looking. Like, look how nice that is. I love that color. Ooh, this is coming to Vegas with me, including the compact. Okay. Ooh, I love it. Okay, and then lastly is the Merit Beauty Shade Slick Gelée. It's their tinted lip oil, and I'm also very excited about this because now that summer's coming around, I use less of like a cream, and I usually do lots more like gloss looks and just easy to wear. It doesn't, I have to worry about like reapplying, and yeah, It's a wash of moisturizing color for healthy lips all day and an ultra sheer finish. So it's literally like my dream lip. Look how good the color is. I went with Jéte. Ooh, cutie. It's very like luscious looking. Perfect. My lips are kind of dry right now too, so I kind of need this. Ooh, it goes on so smooth. It's like a perfect little gloss with just the tiniest tint of color. It's like the same color in my lips, but like a little bit darker. Yummy. Well, adding this to the collection, and I probably will purchase it after I've run out of it. So thank you, Merit Beauty. I know I have another package on the way, which I'm really excited about. And then I think I might have like the full collection. So thank you for sponsoring today's video. I love your products. And if y'all want to shop it, I'm going to link all of their stuff below that I've shared and all the color names. So go find your new favorites at meritbeauty.com. And yeah, I think you'll love it. Okay, gosh, I had to turn the fan back on. It got so hot up here. Now I'm going to share a few pieces that I just got for my work trip to Vegas next week. I literally feel like I was just doing this with you guys, and I know it was a year ago, but it was clearly the quickest year of my entire life. So I did get a few things that I'm excited about. I haven't done like personal online shopping for myself in quite a while. So I get ads all the time for Commence, and I was nervous to see if like the quality was good because the prices were like way too good. I was afraid like maybe I'll pay for this and I'll never get it. But I downloaded the app and got an extra discount. So that's a little good tip for you guys on their website. But most of it fits, I'm hoping, just by looking at it. So let's get into that. Okay, this is the first one. This was the one I was most excited about, and I had a feeling would not fit me the best because it was a small and not an extra small. But it is kind of like a see-through knit, so I will have to wear like a little slip under it probably because you can see my blue bra through here. But I love that it's kind of like oversized. I love knits. I just always will. It would be a really cute like swimsuit cover-up, but I really wanted this for wearing to work with like a little black heel. And honestly, I would maybe add like a black leather belt just to like cinch it in. But since I'm gonna add like a little black slip under it, that might be kind of uncomfy. But I'll also need it like here too, because then my bra would show. But oh my gosh, I think this will be so cute for next week. I'll probably wear it on day 1. But super cute, feels nice. It doesn't feel like some chintzy like Forever 21 vibe, so it kind of is giving like Zara feel. But yeah, on to the next one. Okay, I'll just start with this top. It's also like a little sweater knit. I like that it doesn't have like the shoulder pads like most shirts do here, and it's not like a tight turtleneck because that just like suffocates me. And I could wear a really cute like long necklace with it. And it's actually a little longer, so if I wanted to wear it with jeans and like a little belt, super easy for work, or shorts. I could wear this with so much stuff. And it came in black and I think like a cream, but I kind of wanted this like beigey color for some reason. I don't know. But if I wore it with like high-waisted pants, you can easily just like fold the ribbed waistband under and wear it like that. So good find. This was an extra small. It was like 20 bucks, so feels really nice. It's very slimming. I don't like when sweaters like this are like kind of like frumpy and stick out, so it's like a nice thin, I don't know, it's like a laser cut feel. I don't know, super cute. But then going into the pants, they're a little big. I did do an extra small and I knew that they would be probably big because that's just how dress pants are when they're not petite, but they have pockets. And I might have to zoom in on this, but it's not like a center. I thought there would be a zipper. It's literally not a zipper. I can literally stick my hand like all the way through. There's like a hook, eye, and a button, and so I'm gonna have to move the button over because I have to tie it in. But I like that I can tie it in, and I guess there's an extra button that came on the tag, so I can just move that over so it won't fall down. I can just like make it the size that I need it, which is awesome, because usually I would have to get them like altered, taken in, and they're good length. They're perfect for wearing with like a chunky loafer or a heel, so win there. Okay, and then this last one I think is my favorite. It fits so good. It's an extra small. Again, super glad they have that option. It also came in black, and now I'm kind of wishing that I also got it in black because I